Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel a bet on Hard Rock app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Hard Rock Bet app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, tap on My Bet at the bottom. Here you will see all your active and pending bets. Scroll through your active bets and find that you want to cancel. Make sure the event hasn't started yet. Once it begins, it usually cannot be cancelled. Tap the bet, then look for a cancel bet or void bet option. Confirm that you want to cancel it. Your stake will be returned to your account balance. After cancelling, go back to your account balance to make sure the money has been returned. Now you are free to place a new bet if you want, and that's it. Cancelling a bet on the Hard Rock app is simple. Just remember to do it before the event starts. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.